Hi everyone and welcome for today's pouring video. It is again Patrick pouring. You did not really expect him to make the voiceover, right? But no worries, you are not going to hear so many of his voiceovers during the art videos, but we are going on a vacation trip in the middle of February again, so we plan to make some vlogs again as we did when we were in the US. And as we are going on a cruise, this is his main topic to talk about. I'm sure he will be in front of the camera a bit more often than he is during the art videos. But at least he is pouring. It is a round canvas, 40 centimeters in diameter, and he took the color choices. And he grabbed a pretty amazing color palette, I must say. So we're going with a white, a gold, an olive green, a yellow, and a Naples yellow. So pretty fancy. I really look forward how this one turns out, although I already know. And we are going to use the cup tool as well, because you want to try and see what you can make with it. My favorite, of course, as you know, this is my preference when it comes to the look and design of the pours. So a stretch ring pour or my cup tool pours, I just love them. I was really looking forward to what Patrick can make with it, and he did a great job. You'll see in a second. When it came to choosing which color we put in which ring, we just got totally random. I let it completely up to him. He put double colors in each of the segments, each of the rings, so that we have some variation there, and then he just started pouring. For this part of the video I am just silent. I let you watch, play some music, and I will be back in the end of the pouring with the final result and some, let's say event announcement that we are going to plan with this little pour here. Comes the final result. This is it, and look at that. No worries, we expected this to happen. We know that these canvas boards really do not can withstand the amount of water from the acrylic pours, but this was planned for this one. We first know the event that I mentioned in the beginning comes in place. I want you to send me some flower arrangement choices that I shall paint onto this one. And the reason why I ask you is because of the winner. So everyone who is sending a choice, an idea, what can be drawn onto this, we are putting into a jar. Patrick is going to pick the winner one, and I'm going to paint this on the canvas here, and the winner is going to get it. So this is why I wanted this to actually get loose from the canvas, because now I can roll it up in the end and can ship it pretty easily to you guys, and you simply just have to glue it again onto a more sturdy background. So for this, just weten the entire canvas a bit, that it gets a bit softer, put some glue or acrylic paint under it and glue it onto the new surface, and you should be good for the painting. So everything that you will need to know for the special event I will put down below in the video description, as well as the email address. I will keep the email address active for about 2 weeks, I think, so send in your emails with your ideas that you're having, and we'll make the draw in the end another video, I think. So just to pick the winner, a quick one. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, I hope you liked the canvas, the result here, and I also hope you liked the idea. So if you do, just take part on the event. One of you can be the lucky winner and receive the final result in your mail when it's done. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!